everyone! So today I'm going back to Philippines to fix some stuff na para before we actually do the hard launching, diba? Pero everything is already online, yung mga products namin. What I'll do right now is to show you our warehouse and then paano namin gagawin yung shipping system and then many other things na sana mag-enjoy kayo, including yung discussion with how you will be able to return those plastic bottles as well. So, yan, medyo minamalat pa rin ako. That's why I need a very strong microphone. Pero, ayun, see you at the airport and see you in the Philippines. Bye! So, dito tayo sa Terminal 2 ng airport sa Jakarta. So, for international flights, I think dalawa yung airports nila. Terminals 2. Ito yung mga cheaper airlines. And Terminal 3 yung mga mas social na airlines. So, if you're here in Jakarta, you should try yung coffees nila. Itong Fore. Tapos meron din doon yung Kape Kenangan, which is mas cheaper. Pero masarap talaga yung coffees nila dito. Like yung mga flavors, may salted caramel, tiramisu, mga ganyan. As in, foamy. So, bibili ako ngayon ng coffee. Mas masarap yung mga iced coffee nila. Although, ayun, hindi ako pwede mag-iced coffee ngayon. Pero papakita ko sa inyo slowly. Anyways, mahaba-haba yung layover ko sa Singapore kasi most of the flights from Jakarta to Manila is gabi, like 1 a.m. ganyan. Hindi ako nakatulog sa plane. So, ayun, either mahabang layover or walang tulugan, sadly. So, we're having breakfast. This is bakso. Bakso is like parang sotanghon with meatballs. Tapos ito parang pinili ko mixed siya na meatballs. Pero may mga bakso na walang sotanghon. Or pwedeng mamili ng ibang noodles. Ganyan. Gusto ko siya kasi, ayun nga, may sipon ako. So, masarap siyang, may sakit pa. Char. Okay. Yan, so we're waiting for everyone to board. We'll be flying to Singapore. Yeah, so we're asked to get out of the plane kasi it will take 1.5 to 2 hours for them to fix something. And ayun, buti na lang 4 hours yung layover natin sa Singapore. So hopefully I don't miss my flight going home. Kasi 8 p.m. na nga yun diba? Pero anyways, it is what it is. Ayan, so, kailangan may suspense, diba? Yung si Jetstar talaga, kahit sa Fiji, ganyan sila. So, gusto nila, palit kasi yung 4 p.m. daw na flight, is 6 lang yung kasya na passenger. Ang dami namin, no? So, paano nila pipiliin yun? So, gusto nila bukas ulit ng 9 a.m. Pero sagot nila yung hotel and everything. Pero ayaw kasi mag-antay. So, nag-rebook ako using AirAsia. So, instead of Singapore, ang layover ko ngayon would be Kuala Lumpur. Ang hassle! Pero, kasi 8 p.m. dapat yung dating ko sa Pilipinas. Magiging midnight. So, 4 hours yung nawala ko. Nakakapikon, pero hindi ka magalit. Alam mo yun? Kasi, syempre, for safety reason din naman. Bakit naman kasi sila lumipad ng hindi naayos yung gulong? Anyways, nakaka-stress lang. Pero, ganun talaga. Mas better na safe tayo kaysa ipilit, diba? So, ayun. Ayan, pwede na. Totoo na. Ayan. Finally, back here in Manila. 1 a.m. My brother picked me up because I'm a passenger princess. Sobrang kapagod. Laki na ng naiya, grabe oh. Wow. Amazing. Nababad ng, anesthesia. Kasi masakit siya. Kami ng warehouse today. Yan, so we're here at SM Marilao to buy some panglinis. Kasi madumi ang warehouse. Para maglinis. Yan po yung scrub niya. Intense scrubbing. This is gonna be our office. This is before. Scrub pa more, girl. And this is yung warehouse. Ko-convert natin sa customer. Yan. Kasi we're anticipating huge number of orders. kaya naman ang warehouse namin ganito, diba? And we still have sa downstairs, pero under renovation pa. So we're cleaning up the second floor and then later yung ground floor naman. Nakapagod, pero it's gonna be all worth it. Ayan po si Sunny. Pang live selling area namin. Yeah! Ayan si Lens. We're cleaners. Cleaners Earth Project. Yes, because we are micromanagers, so kailangan kami talaga yung naglilinis ng warehouse. Hindi pa yun, diba? Oo, ayan o. May unggoy po sa likod. We're very unnatural. Hi! Tapos na kami maglinis, so dinner, bawi-bawi na.
Still waiting for the pinakbet.
Pinakbet. So yun lang. Sana kayanin. Mukhang mahimbing ang tulad namin mamaya. Yan, so day 3 of the lip tattoo. Ayan no, dati pagka day 3, nagbabalat na siya. Pero this time, hindi siya nagbalat. So, baka nasanay na yung uso ko. Ayan, so, mukha pa rin siyang lipstick, diba? Pero, eventually, mawawala yan eh, magbabalat siya. Tapos, may iwan na lang yung tint, parang ganyan, reddish tint siya dapat. So, yun. Tingnan natin yung day 4, how it ends. Pero you feel it's really dry. Very dry na siya. Yan, day 3 of camping and of micromanaging dito sa warehouse. Thank you, Tabby, for sending a beautiful cake for me. It's my birthday soon. Mwah, mwah.
Hello guys, as you can see here, meron kami mga tambak dito na boxes. So actually, we keep these boxes kasi we recycle this as fillers for our shipment. So we invested in this machine. Ayan, right here. So this machine is box shredder. Pagka pinasok mo yung box, it will shred like this. So it kind of like saves us buying for not using bubble wraps, and we use these cartons as fillers. So we try to make sure that we are very sustainable in all of our packaging, especially kasi diba, we are shipping through e-commerce. So we try to reduce our plastic waste as much as possible. So I hope we can ship as soon as possible.
Ayan guys, so linis na namin ni Sunny yung place kung saan yung live selling. So ito, nice yan. Itong booth na to, we made this before kasi nag-join kami ng expo. So yan, we're utilizing it. So overall, itong booth na to cost us around 60,000. Pero grabe, matibay itong wood na to. At saka, ayun nga, if ever we plan to have parang store in the mall next time, we can still use this, diba? Kung magkaroon kami ng booth, hopefully soon. And then these are products. will share with you. Ito, yan o. Yan. So, this is our hand soap. This is our deodorizing spray. Surface cleaner. Detergent. This is our dishwashing liquid. Our food wash. This is our baby toy bottle. Sorry, baby bottle cleanser. And then baby surface cleaner. And very all natural. All made of natural ingredients from pineapple waste and fermented. So, ayan, very nice. This is some of our products na hindi pa namin nare-release. This is made by Batak Tribe. And we're really proud of this as well. Pero hopefully soon, ma-release na namin siya. It's been a while. And yeah, there you go. Ayan, so babalik na ako sa Jakarta. Bye-bye, Clean Earth. I'll still be working remotely. Pero ayan, it's a warehouse that we have here in Marilao. Yan, hindi pa siya tapos fully, pero hopefully soon. Clean Earth. Yan na, I'm here na sa Clark. Papalik na ng Jakarta.
Bye!
90 million!
90M!